Hello everyone, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're already subscribed, welcome back. And today, we have a list of 10 products that you can sell in February 2021. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Next up, we have the animal boiled egg molds. This product allows you to make the most adorable animal-shaped egg molds. The Charmin mold is sure to delight both children and adults with all sorts of fun-shaped eggs. It is very easy to use, and it falls under the kitchen and kids niche. And there is not a lot of sales yet, so there is a lot of untapped potential. The selling price for the animal boiled egg mold is $16.99. The product cost is $3.99, so you're left with a profit margin of $13. Our next product is the Purse Insert Organizer. This one is a real problem solver. It simply allows you to organize your items, and you never have to struggle to find anything in your bag. It helps keep the bag clean and prevents sharp objects from damaging the bag from the inside. It falls under the women's accessories niche market, and it has more than 2,000 likes and 500 comments on Facebook. The selling price for this product is $13.95. The product cost is $10.84, so you're left with a profit margin of $13.11. Next up, we have the bicycle wheel reflector. This one is a problem solver. It allows you to increase your side and front visibility, making cycling much safer. It requires no electronics or battery or upkeep. It has multi-direction reflectivity, making cyclists visible at night and can be seen from up to 400 meters away. It's quick and easy to install. There's not a lot of sales yet on AliExpress, so there is a lot of untapped potential. The selling price for this product is $28.99. The product cost is $1.32, so you're left with a profit margin of $27.67. Next up, we have the 14-in-1 multifunctional EDC keychain. The multi-tool keychain presents a smartly designed hexagonal multi-tool card. It is easy to carry and use. The multi-tool keychain is equipped with many functions to give you an all-in-one tool handy whenever you need it, whether you need it for an emergency or basic operations. It has more than 1,500 likes and 300 comments on Facebook. The selling price for this product is $25.95. The product cost is $3.97, so you're left with a profit margin of $22.65. Next up, we have the multifunctional trouser hanger. This one is a problem solver. This metal trouser rack is durable and allows you to save space. You can hang up to 5 trousers at a time and keep your wardrobe tidy. It is very easy to use, and it's multifunctional. It falls under the home accessories niche, and it has more than 1,600 likes and more than 600 comments on Facebook. The selling price for the trouser hanger is $19.99. The product cost is $4.28, so you're left with a profit margin of $15.71. Up next, we have the LED mobile phone microscope. This one is a multifunctional phone microscope. It allows you to zoom in on jewelry or take close-up shots of anything you want, coupled with an LED light for better close-up lighting. It is very easy to use, and it has more than 1,000 likes and more than 500 comments on Facebook. The selling price for the mobile phone microscope is $19.96. The product cost is $3.33, so you're left with a profit margin of $16.62. Next up, we have a professional Serbian bone-in knife. This one is perfect for any home cook who is passionate about cooking. This hand-forged steel blade looks stylish and is very sharp. It's perfect for many situations, outdoors and indoors. It falls under the kitchen niche market, and it has more than 1,500 likes and more than 500 comments on Facebook. The selling price for this product is $35.90. The product cost is $15.30, so you're left with a profit margin of $20.60. Next up, we have the drywall taping tool. This taping tool makes work super easy and saves tons of time. It is precise and easy to use. It's a perfect product for a DIY store, and it falls under the home improvements niche. It has more than 3,000 likes and more than 1,000 comments on Facebook. The selling price for this product is $99.95. The product cost is $46.05, so you're left with a really good profit margin of $53.90. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to come back next time for more products to sell. And if you are interested in any of the items listed in the video, we made sure to link them below. And make sure to watch our other videos where you can find other niches and products to sell.